There you go, get your fresh fish. Aye.
This is the San Pedro Fish Market, home of the world-famous shrimp trade, and we are the kings of fish.
So I come around the corner, Junior's got a forklift, and he's driving through the front window of Shamrock.
Oh my God.
Catch me inside.
Dude, what'd you do? What the hell did you do? I really don't know what just happened. I walked in and all of a sudden there's a door down and a forklift going through it and Tommy Jr.'s involved. I guess we're ahead of schedule, huh?
How do you come through a front door on a forklift and there's customers ordering food? How do you do that? That's not okay.
You realize that the door doesn't come till Monday and today's Friday and you just tore it down?
I'm getting a stomachache. Let me see if I can find this text where the demo starts on Friday. Maybe he won't notice.
He won't notice the door is gone.
I know it's in here somewhere. They told me it started on Friday morning.
Maybe he just thinks they cleaned the windows really well today.
Right? Oh no, you know what? I screwed up. It says just a meeting.
Next week they're putting the door in, not today.
It's this guy! I come in here to get something, I come back out, he's on a forklift with it going through the door. He knows you're standing there, you're not hiding.
They told me Friday, come and take the door out.
So how are we supposed to close up the business tonight if the windows are gone?
Are you gonna spend the weekend here guarding the building now that it's open?
It's possible.
You know, the crazy part about this whole thing is it is not shocking one bit that Tommy Jr. drove a forklift through the front of the building.
Everybody just laugh and thinks it's so funny. It's not funny.
My son just came, so now I'm gonna make him clean this up while me and Henry go to lunch.
I like it. Hey, thank you for showing up. Get that done.
Yeah.
Perfect timing.
Clean up.
I love you, Junior.
You guys happy?
I don't know. I
Wrong
could have
day,
sworn the text said
wrong
Friday
week.
morning. Wrong day, wrong week.
Yeah, but we got the project started.
Yeah, we got it started. I
had
mean,
fun,
sorry, it's a
and
couple
you had
days earlier,
fun.
and I had fun.
And now all you have to do is put everything back together.
Yeah, me and Henry are gonna go have lunch.
Yeah. Hey, John, you have a loading dock in the back of the building that didn't exist before.
The what?
All right, John,
guys.
thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for cleaning that up.
Thanks.
All right, thanks
See
for
you
coming
guys.
by.
Hey, Matthew, good job, buddy.
Yep, nice loading dock.
Just got back from Boston, and the goal of Boston was to find some new accounts for our retail product line. And although we talked to plenty of grocery store buyers and brokers and distributors, I'm not completely convinced that there's a market for our frozen meal line. So what I'm doing here today in my house is I'm experimenting with a couple of different ways to package our products for the customer to order online and cook themselves at home. One of the things we get a lot from customers that buy our products is if they buy it in a grocery store where we have to meet a certain price point to keep it affordable for the grocery store customer, is that this isn't what I expected. There's not enough shrimp, it's smaller shrimp, it's not the same as the market. So what we're trying to do is create an alternative. So fine, if you would like to have what we sell at the market, that can be done. So today I'm experimenting with some different ways that'll make it really easy for customers to do that with minimal effort, without any background or specialty or knowledge of cooking seafood. Like, I'm not a chef, you don't need to be a chef, but we can still make this taste just like it would be if you visited us. So what we did here is we prepared everything just like we would do at the fish market for a customer. So this was all going to be packaged with the seasoning and the oil that we would use at the San Pedro Fish Market. We're going to send it to you ready to cook. All right. Fire this up. So this is pretty important. We've invested a ton of money into the different products we've been trying to sell over the years. And we do pretty well when customers come to visit us, but there's only so much space in the market. You know, we've got a whole generation coming up that's graduating high school and moving into either college or the workforce or both. And you know, business is doing well, but we still got to figure out a way to build a business outside of the four walls of San Pedro Fish Market. That's it. Enjoy. So this is going to be a big year. I think it's going to be our biggest year ever, which it's hard to believe because I think that of every year that we have, but it only happens because of the fans. So we're looking forward to seeing you out there. Those of you that come up to say hi to us, whether we've run into you at a restaurant or a trade show or just on the street, or of course at San Pedro Fish, thanks for saying hi. Thanks for putting up with the lines. We have some big things coming up for you. We're trying to make life easier, not more difficult. A lot of big things coming down the line, so keep an eye on us and stay tuned.